the last step, I'm gonna use a moisturizing serum. For that, I'm gonna use this Bioaqua green tea essence. First of all, let's unbox it. I've used this product before and I'm really satisfied with this essence. It smells literally amazing. Why it's not coming?
I know this isn't what you wanna hear, yeah. You know I've been down so lately.
Do you see? Now my skin has become so much glowy and whiter and clean. We've reached at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below what you think of my video and my channel.